Welcome to Boat the Blue, Port Huron's antique boat show held the first Saturday after Labor Day every other year, typically. This show has a ton of beautiful boats. They look like art, and there's always free rides for people who want to take a boat ride on an antique boat. Mark your calendars for in 2026, there will be a international Boat the Blue, and it will be at least double the size of the normal ones. That show at this point will run from September 13th to the 20th, 2026. Activities include antique and classic boat, cars, kids activities, there's a marketplace, there's fun on the shore, there's food, beverages, and live entertainment. It was a great band this year. It sounded fantastic. And did I mention the free boat rides? This show is the only one I know of that actually takes people out on the water. They had 7 antique boats running all, I think, from 10:30 to 2:30, taking anybody who wanted to sign up for a boat ride. Some people went more than once. It was a beautiful day. The weather was perfect. We had a great time. This year's theme was race boats. Most of these boats are not race boats, but there is a collection of race boats up by the road, and later in this video we'll look at the University of Michigan electric race boat. Many of these boats are beautiful mahogany works of art that the owners have put countless hours into restoring and making them look the way they do. But not all antique boats are wood. There are fiberglass boats that date back a long ways, so you'll notice some of these boats are fiberglass boats. It's interesting how they look so much newer, but in reality, they are very old as well. You'll notice entries into the show come in all shapes and sizes. These Chris Crafts are 47 and 48 feet. They were both built in 1967. And it's interesting, they're very similar, but this one is fiberglass. The prior one was wood, built the same year. I can't even imagine the amount of time and labor it would take to keep a wooden boat of this size in the condition this one is in. It is beautiful, and I really respect the owner for making it that way. We are heading back to the center of the show, and as we get there, we'll veer away from the waterfront docks and move up onto the land-based show. There's quite a few boats up here as well. This is where the race boats are, and there are vendors of all sorts, lots of different nautical items you could purchase, decorations, shirts, hats, you name it, food. This is such a nice event. Here you see a beautiful mahogany work of art that's actually taking showgoers for a free ride. Just a beautiful boat, a beautiful day, and what an opportunity to get out on the water. I can only imagine how much fun the kids have had that were on these rides. It was interesting as well. The younger kids got to keep their life jackets. The show provides life jackets for everybody that goes for a boat ride, but there was a grant involved allowing the young kids to keep theirs. Take a look at this. This is an actual Ford Mustang. I saw the sign, and a father and son duo took 4 years to make this watertight and a marine vehicle or amphibious. They are a Ford dealer, so that probably helped. But very interesting. On the sign, it indicated it had a V-twin Honda engine in it, probably to reduce the weight and make everything work the way they had engineered it. Local sheriff boat going by gives us a nice hello. As promised, here are the race boats. They've got some antique race boats, they've got some brand new ones, and that boat right there is the U of M electric race boat. That boat currently has a top speed of 70 miles an hour. At least that's what one of the young men that was showing the boat told me. We'll take you up in the air now and give you a bird's eye view, or I guess a seagull's eye view of this show. It's pretty expansive. You'll see from the drone footage that it covers a lot of docks, and there were a lot of participants. Highly recommend you come take a look next year. The buildings you're seeing in the background belong to St. Clair County Community College, or SC4. This show takes place right in front of the college between 7th and 10th Street on the Black River. The construction area you're currently looking at was a Port Huron City Fire Department station. It has been replaced with a brand new one, and this one is being torn down and the land cleared. This is a great view of the show and of a lot of the SC4 campus. The bridge you see in the top right corner is 7th Street Bridge in downtown Port Huron. We're looking at the SC4 campus. The boat show is held right along the banks of the river beside the campus. Lots of parking available, and you get a pretty good idea of what SC4 has to offer. They have actually grown a ton in the last couple decades. If you found this show informative or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.